this?
Let's just land and you guys pop out and shoot his ass, bro.
I'm gonna smoke that fight.
This guy.
Sounds good.
Oh, he's getting up.
Yeah.
Where's he running off to? Just bother this guy all good.
200.
Yep. Alright, right gunner.
I don't have
Let
enough
me know when you
height.
see him. Enough
I
height?
see him, I don't have enough height.
Boys, the whole team is coming. Jonathan.
Load in the water.
Alright, let's focus on boat. You guys gonna try and fuck us over again.
Reloading. Marker on boat. Right gun reloaded.
Nice.
Boat's down. Right gun reloading.